Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you have ever wanted to send a snap that looks live but don't want it to go through the media upload process or show the from camera roll label, you are not alone. In today's video, I will show you how to send live looking snaps without triggering Snapchat's media upload label step by step. This is perfect if you want to send a quick snap that feels natural but you are using an edited photo or an old snap or just want more control over how it is viewed, all without looking like a saved file. Now before jumping into this video, make sure you check out the links in the description of all the resources mentioned in this video. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you will have to open your Snapchat mobile application and then you need to tap on this camera icon. Over here, you need to simply tap on this drop down menu in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you will see this director mode. So you just have to simply tap on the director mode, and once the director mode is in front of you, you will have to tap on this gallery icon or the import media icon. Now once you are in your camera roll section, you will have to simply tap on the snap but from memories. So you will have to simply tap on the memories first, and after that you will have to simply select the snap. Now if the image or the video that you want to send is in your gallery and if you want to import into your memories, you just have to simply go to the camera roll again, select that file which you want to add into your memories, then you just have to simply edit and save it in your gallery. So what this will do is, this way your image will be in your memories section. That makes it appear more like a real-time snap or Snapchat's system. Now that your file is saved under snaps, you can simply open it. For me, I'm going to select this one and tap on this check icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you need to tap on the preview option first, and this will be the preview. If you want to save it to your gallery, simply tap on the save option and it will be saved successfully. Now you need to tap on the send to option, and over here you just have to simply select your friend to whom you want to basically send this snap and tap on this drop down menu in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now to the receiver, it will appear as a normal snap without the media upload tag, and it opens the same way as a live snap. Now even better, it will disappear after being viewed just like any regular snap, and this is the key difference. When you send from the camera roll, Snapchat treats it like a media file and not as auto delete it in the same way. Now if you want the snap to be truly feel live, the best way is to still recording it through the Snapchat camera. So you just have to simply go back on the home page, and after that you will have to simply take a picture. So after clicking the picture, you will see a bunch of different editing items in the right hand section. So over here you just have to simply select this one, that is the sticker option, and once you tap on sticker, you will see the third option of your gallery. So you need to tap on this gallery, and again you need to select the photo which you want to basically send to your friend. After selecting it, you need to simply tap on the send to option in the bottom right hand corner, select your friend, and then you just have to simply go with the same process. So here some of the things that you need to keep in mind, like you might see the apps that claims the fake live snap, but I would recommend you to avoid them, and do not use any third-party application to spoof the live snaps. That can violate Snapchat's term, and it can even leads you to your account bans and lockouts. So the methods that I have shown you today are completely safe, and these are Snapchat approved and still look completely neutral. So this is how you can send live looking snaps without using any media uploads or getting flagged as from camera roll. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more Snapchat tutorials and smart social media tips. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.